Payal's recipe. Today I'm going to show you a very delicious and quick recipe that's called Mushroom Masala Fry, and let's get started. The ingredients for this recipe are some mushrooms, slices of onions, green chilies chopped, some cilantro, ginger and garlic minced, salt to taste. This is the dhania powder or coriander powder. I have some oil over here. This is about 2 tablespoons of oil. Some red chili powder. This is actually the degi mirch powder. Roasted cumin seeds powder. Some haldi or turmeric powder and a teaspoon of tomato paste. Now I'm heating this pan and now I'm going to add the oil. To this hot oil I'm going to add the mushrooms. And the onions. And now I'm going to fry this till they are slightly brown and the mushroom shrinks. So just mix it. And let the onions and mushrooms fry for about 5 minutes. Now to the onions and the mushrooms that are cooking, you can see the mushrooms have released a lot of water. I'm going to add the green chilies, the ginger and garlic as well. The ginger. Okay. And let these things cook along with this mushrooms. Let's give it some time till the water evaporates a little. Our mushrooms have been cooking on high flame for about 7 to 8 minutes, and now I'm just going to lower the flame and cover it and let it cook for about 4 to 5 minutes on low flame. Now let's check on our mushrooms, and they've been cooking. I'm going to increase the flame to high and I'm going to add the tomato paste. After adding the tomato paste, I'm going to add the salt, red chili powder, cumin powder, turmeric and the dhania powder. After adding all these masalas, I'm just going to mix everything and let it cook on high flame till the water evaporates. You can see it's such an easy recipe and a quick one as well. You can make the same dish with paneer or mushrooms or soy nuggets or even potatoes, or for meat lovers you can make chicken dish, the dry chicken masala fry also the same way. So you can see immediately after adding the tomato paste and the degi mirch powder and haldi, the color has changed to a beautiful reddish color. And now let it just cook for another 2 minutes. Okay, I'm just going to cover it and keep it for another 2 minutes and then check on our mushrooms. Now let's check on our mushrooms. And they look so attractive and delicious. You can see the oil has separated out and our mushrooms are now ready. And now I'm going to add the cilantro as well and mix it. I'm going to turn off the gas and serve our dish. I hope you enjoyed this simple recipe, and if you did, do like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel Payal's Recipe, and for more videos tune in. Till next time, thanks for watching my video. Bye bye.